Did you know that certain foods can significantly help manage rheumatoid arthritis symptoms and reduce inflammation? Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 foods that can help you fight rheumatoid arthritis. Channel for insights and advice on living well with rheumatoid arthritis. Today, we are diving into a topic that could transform your daily life: how your diet can significantly impact your rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. We all know that rheumatoid arthritis brings its share of challenges, but did you know that what you eat can play a crucial role in managing inflammation and pain? Living with rheumatoid arthritis means dealing with persistent pain, stiffness, and fatigue. These symptoms can make even simple everyday tasks feel monumental. While traditional treatment like medications and physical therapy are essential, they often come with their limitations and side effects. That's where dietary changes can become a powerful tool in your RA management plan. It's not just about what you avoid eating, but also about the nourishing foods you add to your diet. Let's dive into the top 10 foods that can help you manage your rheumatoid arthritis. Fatty fish, such as salmon and tuna. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish help to reduce inflammation and joint pain. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties due to the active compound curcumin, turmeric can significantly alleviate RA symptoms. Ginger, another powerful anti-inflammatory spice that can be easily added to many dishes or consumed as tea. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, packed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making them perfect for reducing flare-ups. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains 𝐒𝐂𝐃𝐈𝐀, which has similar effects to anti-inflammatory drugs. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale. High in antioxidants and vitamins, these greens support overall joint health. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce RA symptoms. Nuts such as walnuts and almonds. These are good sources of protein, calcium, magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, and immune-boosting alpha-linolenic acid. Green tea. Rich in polyphenols, green tea has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that help reduce joint damage and inflammation. Last but not the least, broccoli. It contains sulforaphane, which helps block the formation of a type of cell that contributes to rheumatoid arthritis development. One particular impactful combination is consuming fatty fish like salmon alongside leafy greens such as spinach. This duo provides a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acid and antioxidants. Let me share a bit of a story of Emily, one of our viewers who suffered from severe rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. After incorporating more salmon and spinach into her diet, she noticed a remarkable improvement in her joint pain and overall energy levels within just few months. Emily's story highlights how powerful these dietary changes can be in managing rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. To conclude, today we have highlighted 10 foods that can significantly help manage your rheumatoid arthritis. Fatty fish, turmeric, ginger, berries, olive oil, leafy greens, garlic, nuts, green tea, and broccoli. Incorporating these into your diet can make a considerable difference in reducing inflammation and improving symptoms. Remember, what you eat is as important as any other aspect of your treatment plan in rheumatoid arthritis. We would love to hear from you. Have you tried incorporating any of this food into your diet? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit, and check out our next video on healthy eating habits to further support your rheumatoid arthritis management. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, The Rheum Doc. This information will be tailored to help you navigate life with rheumatoid arthritis. We would love to have you join our community. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what topics you would like to see in the future videos. We value your feedback and are here to support you every step of the way. Follow us on social media, share your experiences, ask questions, and engage with others who are on the same journey. Your story and insight could be the exact support someone else needs today. Rheumatoid arthritis attacked you, but don't let it defeat you. And we are here in this journey together to defeat rheumatoid arthritis. Until next time, bye-bye.